Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy paste a picture in Canva. So here I've already opened the Canva apps on my phone, and I want to copy this picture into a new Canva. So let's say here I'm going to add the canvas first. So I'm going to make it different. I'm going to change the background color first. Okay, so after this, if you want to copy paste a picture, you can just now click on the picture, and there will be a three dots icon at the top, and here click on the copy button, and let's go to where you want to paste the image. Okay, for example, here click on the background, click on more, and there will be a paste button. Okay, so that's all. That's how you can copy or paste a picture on Canva Mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.